Hey Bobber Nation, this is Jimbobbington. Today we are going to take a little test drive with my first ever camera and mic setup for the road. It was actually pretty successful, but just want to remind you, please subscribe to this channel, hit that bell, get those notifications. I'm going to be putting content out hopefully at least once a week. But for now, check out this video. Let me know your thoughts. We're going to be getting out on the road a lot more often as soon as this weather gets nice. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jimbobbington coming to you. We are taking our very first test ride of the new Motovlog setup. We're mostly just testing out the sound quality of the microphone I've got going on, which is just about the cheapest possible setup you could possibly have. And let's see how bad this exhaust covers up my voice. Typically I'm wearing this motorcycle helmet over here, but it is not technically full face. There's a lot of wind comes through that chin guard, and I figured this old full face would be a better option for this kind of thing. I've been trying to not spend money rather on something unless I know for a fact it's something I need. So I'm starting with equipment. Well, the camera is new. The microphone is just a shitty old microphone. So let's it's not even quite 50 degrees out, but sitting there waiting to pick up my kids from school, I was like, it is warm enough to go test this stuff out. I gotta know. I just gotta know! Does it work? I don't know. We're about to find out. I forgot. I got all excited. I didn't even put on my motorcycle shoes or anything. I don't technically have any winter riding equipment. These are just regular gloves I bought at the dealership when I picked up my bike. Nothing necessarily meant for winter. So 50 degrees is about as cold as I like riding. And I can't enjoy it for very long at that temperature either. But it's like 48, 49 right now. A little bit windy, but it's always windy on a motorcycle, right? As you can see, snow's been melting. We got close to 6 inches the night before last, and it's dispersing rather quickly. Alright, I can't wait to play this back and see what it sounds like. Hopefully this is a working setup and I don't have to go splurge on some $40 GoPro adapter and then some sort of microphone on top of that. I'd really love if this setup just works. I've watched videos of other motovloggers that works for them. Just a matter of, did I do it well enough? Get it tucked in the helmet properly. But like I said, I'm not trying to throw money at this gig. I am doing this because I enjoy it, but it's a brand new hobby for me. I'm learning as I go. I'm trying to increase my production quality quickly and learn tips and tricks and make it an overall better watching experience. But at the same time, I'm not just going to start buying stuff because somebody said I should when I don't know what I need. I got lots of cool stuff planned. I do plan on, I've got an exhaust on the way from Hacker Mayhem. I mean, I bought it. It's not on the way. I haven't gotten a notification that it's shipped, but actually today, today was the day it was supposed to tentatively ship when I ordered the stuff. Haven't heard a word though. Once that comes in, I'm gonna drop it off at Pikes Peak Indian down in Colorado Springs. They're gonna install it for me, toss in an Arlen Ness torque box, and they're gonna throw it on the dyno and do some custom dyno tuning for me with the PV3. They do a bunch of tuning on the dyno, and then they take it out into the real world, log it, do some more tuning if they need to. So it's a real good real world experience to get it tuned through them, it sounds like. But I can't wait. After that, the only thing I'm really planning on is looking into rear shocks. But I wanted to go faster, sooner. My butt can handle a little extra pain for a while. Never get tired of this view over here though. It is a beautiful day. Out here so we can get on a 60-mile-an-hour road. I do always have to wear hearing protection with this exhaust. I prefer to wear hearing protection anyway, just because wind noise gets to me over time. I don't enjoy listening to the incessant wind the entire time I ride. I'm not a music listener on a motorcycle. It's just me and the bike. I recommend everybody wear hearing protection. All right, here's our higher speed test. I love these GP shorties, but I cannot wait to get the Hacker Mayhem. The way that thing sounds on engine braking is incredible. It's just got like this backwards growl. 60. It's pretty windy. We'll see how well this sounds in the end result. Overall, it's not that cold. My fingers are feeling it. My feet are a bit cold in these inappropriate shoes. But I had to get out here and do this before I started drinking beer tonight. It's Friday. I picked up some delicious beer from one of my favorite breweries. And I can't wait to put it in my mouth. My mouth wants some beer. Well, that was our sound test. Camera mount test. We'll get back home, edit it up, and see if it was worth a shit. Fingers crossed. Once again, I'm Jimbobbington, reminding you, don't be a skid mark.